biblical patterns of dreams communication, where we have divine revelation in symbols, where Joseph interprets the dreams of what? The Pharaoh's butler and baker. So that's where you receive dreams in the form of a divine revelation in symbols form. There are other places you receive symbolic encounters. For example, Jacob dreams of a ladder with angels ascending and descending. We also have national and political dreams, which has to do with the nation, which has to do with kings and all that, and even kings themselves dreaming. One thing about symbolic dreams is that each symbol, accents, or even setting carries a multiple meanings. That's one thing about symbolic dreams we must be careful about. Prophetic dreams operate in layers, and each symbol, each accent, each symbol, each accent, even the settings, the atmosphere, they carry different meanings. That is why I can have a dream in Ghana and you will have the same dream in USA and it is not the same. Why? Because the settings was different. It is the same, but far as the settings was not the same place, we can consider it to be the same. So to interpret a dream correctly, we must consider the symbols, the accents, and then the settings. It's very important. So we have the symbolic language, which many people actually walk in that, like Prophet Ezekiel, who saw many revelations in dream in a form of symbols and all that. We have personal language. So there is a symbolic language, there is a personal language. God speaks to each dreamer using language that makes sense to them. That's one of the things you must understand about dreams. What means one thing to you may mean something different to another person. For example, this is a curve. That's why settings determine the meanings of the dream. So do you know that if I